Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be solving a problem that says there is a picture of a pathway, which is this, and find the number of the shortest pathways you can get from point A to point B. So basically when it says shortest pathways, it means like you can't go from point A to this point, and then to this point. So like going from this point to this point was like getting further away from point B, and we're trying to get to point B, and you basically can't get to a point that is further away from point B than you started from, or that you were before. So this is a counting problem, and we're going to count all of the ways. We can get from point A to point B that is the shortest. So to get to this point, there's only one way. To get to this point, there's also only one way. To get to this point, there's also one way. Now, to get to this point, there's also one way. The same for these three. And to get to this point, there is one way and another way, like this. Or you can just do 1 plus 1, which makes 2. To get to this point, there's 1, 2, and 3 ways, or you can do 2 plus 1, 3. To get to this point, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 ways, which is 4. So I think you get the idea, so we can just add all of them up. This one would be 1 plus 2, which is 3. This one would be 3 plus 3, which is 6. This would be 6 plus 4, which is 10. This is also 10, and the same for this point, because to get to this point, you have to start from this point. So like you can't get to this point from this point. You have to get from here. Because if you had gotten to this point without getting to this point yet, then you can't go to this point, because then that wouldn't be the shortest distance, I guess. And so yeah. Now to get to this point, that would be 1 plus 3, which is 4. To get to this, there are 4 plus 6 ways, 10. This is 20 plus 1 plus 10 is 30, plus 10 is 40, and this is 5 plus 10 is 15, plus 20 is 35, plus 30 is 65, plus 40 is, that is the final answer, 65 plus 40, which is 105. So that would be the answer for this problem, but I'm also going to solve 2 more problems. So I'll have to draw the next pathway, so I'll do that really quick.